And so it begins. My indoor bedroom forest. Down here we have a syngonium. I don't remember which one, but it's beautiful. I love the green and white. It's so beautiful to look at. It's refreshing. And next to it, we have a few things in there. We have got on this pole a monstera dubia, and we have, I forgot what that little thing is called, Rhaphidophora, something or the other. But the thing that I'm loving on here that seemed to have caught itself and is doing amazingly well is this beautiful, beautiful Philodendron melanochrysum. I bought this from, is it Canopy Farms or Canopy Plant Company or something? And then over there in the corner is this beautiful, I think this is something blue. I forgot the name of that. But anyway, yeah, blue something. I forgot the name of it. And then I've got a little cut-in, well, leaf cut-ins of my Crimson Queen. And here she is. I had got this from plantarina.com, and then I divided her up. So this is one part, or two seedlings, two of the seedlings that were in the pot that I received, and there's another one downstairs, mounted on cork with a fern and another syngonium. And then at the top of this beautiful moss pole, and yes, it's literally a moss pole, and the reason it's no longer green, because that is living moss, is because of the grow light is putting too much light on it, and so it's bleached out. But every now and again, the green will flush. So it's beautiful to see that. I think it's the humidity in this room that is giving this melanochrysum life. And Cebu blue, that's what it is. Cebu blue philodendron. I just remember the name, but I believe it's the humidity and the temperature in this room, not to mention the media that this is growing in, sphagnum moss. I believe I put in there a little bit of worm castings, and I also put cocoa chips for aeration. So it seems to like this temperature. 71 degrees, 54% humidity. It's looking good. And it's doing well. I can't wait, well, for it to get mature and go up this pole. But I'm enjoying every season of it. And I particularly like the fact that we've got a new leaf coming out there, and it's coming out beautifully. It didn't do that, Cinderella shoe nonsense. It came out beautifully. So that's great. Loving it.